Let's learn how to fix Facebook long videos not showing up. I will show you this tutorial on iPhone, but you can follow up with any other device because method is same on every phone. So without any delay, let us start by opening Facebook application. From now you will have to go to tab bar or navigation bar. To do that, go to settings, so click on three horizontal lines that says menu. Scroll down, click on settings and privacy and go to settings. That's first in a row. Now you will have to scroll down until you find tab bar or navigation bar. It depends on version and phone. Now once you click this, click on customize the bar, and here you will have to play with these options. So for me, example will work if I pin a video and feeds. Like if you have it already pinned, try to set feeds on auto and video on pinned, or video on auto and feeds on pin, or just hide the feeds. So if it still doesn't work after you did all of this, try updating your Facebook application or offloading or deleting cache for Facebook, and then it should be fixed. So